danger under this regime?
Whenever a constitution like ours, in which we should be greatly proud, we should be proud of this constitution because it is this constitution that guarantees us all the rights. It's one of the best documents ever created, and it has inspired many constitutions like South Africa. Now, whenever a constitution like this is in danger, obviously freedom, democracy, everything else that we have been brought up under, importantly the idea of India, will be under danger, and that is exactly what the regime wants. The regime wants to endanger all the institutions, all the gains that we have made as a democracy, as an independent country. They want to endanger, and they want to create an India based on the idea of segregation, which simply means that certain people will have to sit right on top and the rest of them have to become second class and third class citizens. That is the aim, and that is obviously against the constitution in letter and spirit. That is against the very foundation of India, and this needs to be stopped. And SIR is nothing but NRC with a new name. So they've been coming. It's the same old drama, and new chapters have been added every now and then. Earlier chapter was called NRC, CAA. Now the fresh chapter is called SIR. Where is the need for this SIR? Let's ask this simple question. Where is the need? Who needs this SIR? Karnataka does not have any borders with Bangladesh or any other desh. The only desh we have borders with is our own. Even the waters that we have, the coastal area, are our waters, Indian Ocean. Why are you bringing this SIR? You could have done an intensive revision. Nobody is against it. Yes, the dead people must be removed. The people who have moved from one location to another must be identified and done. But what are you trying to do with this? Why this special? What is it? What is so special about this exercise? Unless you have a diabolical intent, which seems to be very apparent as we look at this, and you want to remove certain sections, and that is very, very clear, and this cannot be tolerated by any Indian. It's not a problem of Dalits or minorities or OBCs or somebody. It is the problem of every single Indian. It's not just about political parties. And we hope, certainly as civil society, that every single party takes it with the deserving seriousness that it has to take. We hope that even the media takes this with utmost seriousness, because each one of us, end of the day, are standing here and doing this talking because our constitutions guarantees us this position and this freedom.